Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to shoot Trivela free kick. If you want to shoot Trivela free kick, make sure to position the square so you see outside foot curled. In case you are playing with right foot player, it should be on the left side of the ball. If you are playing with the left foot player, it should be on the right side of the ball. Now, position it maximum to the left side or right side, and then select height of the shoot. You select height of the shoot by pushing it upwards or downwards. Once it's done, simply press shoot, and the ideal position for shooting is just outside the third segment of the power. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.